Manifest Digital Work Assistant. Easy content creation to flawless operation. With the equipment, asset, and subject matter expert ready, Manifest Maker is used to record a video of the expert performing the procedure. The video of the subject matter expert performing the task is run through Maker's AI tool. This auto-generates the procedure steps and populates descriptions from the audio and generative AI. Maker's AI engine will also transform physical and digital manuals and standard operating procedures into clear, step-by-step job templates. Once the steps are auto-generated, additional support content is added to the template. Video notes are added by simply dragging specific segments to a step. Photo notes are created from single frames of video and may be edited with built-in markup tools. Additional step notes may be added using dictation, inserting a bookmarked PDF, and creating text notes on the fly with Maker's OCR tool. After testing the completed job template and getting additional SME feedback, the template is published for the global team to use in Manifest. With the procedure now published in Manifest, the job board gives technicians and teams quick access to equipment assets and procedure templates ready to be used to perform their jobs. Here, a field tech starts a job using a newly published template. Scanning the asset QR code opens the procedure for the field tech to learn the updated inspection requirements and demonstrate proof of completion. A powerful feature is the Manifest Connect remote assistance capabilities. If a field tech has an issue while performing a job, they can immediately call an expert for help. The SME on the other end can see what the tech sees and guide them with 3D directional markers. The two workers are able to troubleshoot and verify the situation in real time. Completed jobs are displayed in Work History, where managers can review all job details including any evidence left by a technician. Manifest's intuitive fault management displays all faults flagged by technicians during a job and are centrally accessed for review, follow-up action, and resolution. Taqtile. Empower the doers.